So today we are going to fine tune a large language model. So in fine tuning, I only know things theoretically like the techniques, method, LoRA, CLORA, but I haven't tried practically to fine tune any large language model. So today we are gonna do that. And if you don't know about fine tuning, let me tell you. Fine tuning means picking an already trained model and making a few parameters of it trained on your own data. So it can know about your personal data on whichever data you have trained on. It can also generate response in a way that you have given to while fine tuning. So I have learned about the things that I need to know before fine tuning, and my data set and code is ready. So let's get into that. So the very first thing you need to know about this, it's data set, and this is its data set on which we are going to fine tune our model. So look, I want the response in this specific template. Like the first I need title, then the hook, then the scene 1, then scene 2, then voiceover, and the last thing is ending message. Like if I give an prompt like create an cinematic YouTube short script about starting over, I want the response in this specific template. Look, these dataset will don't work cause it has comma and the instructions and examples are not written well. So you need dataset to look something like this, like without any comma in the end. You just need to give instruction and the output will look like this, and the dataset will be in the JSON file. And obviously for dataset I have used Gemini, and there are 300 examples for the fine tuning. By the way, the model we are fine tuning is Qwen 2.5 1.5 billion parameters, and the technique we are using is low rank adaptation LoRA, and I have MacBook M2. Look, I got this code through ChatGPT, but let me tell you a bit about it. So these are the libraries that we need to install. You can install using pip install, dataset, transformers, and PEFT, which is stand for parameter efficient fine tuning. These lines are about model loading, and this function is about data processing, and this is the configuration for our low rank adaptation method, and this is training arguments, and last is the trainer.train, which will train our model, and in the end finally we will save our pre-trained model. So this is the code. Now let's start the training. Look, the training is started, and see the time, it's around 1:27 p.m. Let's see how much time it will take. Since I purchased this MacBook, I want to try like machine learning models, training and fine tuning, but I haven't tried. So today is the day we will test our MacBook M2. Look at the training logs. It is still training and it is about like 30 minutes. And let me show you something. Look at the lows that initially it started with 3.301, then 3.26, then 3.112. Look at this. This is decreasing. The losses are decreasing, which means our training is going well. It's about only half an hour, and my Mac is literally heating damn hot from the bottom side. So finally the model is fine tuned, and look at the time. It is 2:26. So it have taken around like 1 hour approx. So our model is finally fine-tuned, and now we will compare the base model and the fine-tuned model. So this is the code for comparing the base model and our fine-tuned model, and the prompt is create an cinematic YouTube short script about discipline. Let's run it. Now look, this is the response that is generated from the base model, and it is so simple. There's nothing like template, and this is the response that is generated by the fine-tuned model. Look, it is refers to our template, that is title, hook, scene 1, scene 2, voiceover and ending message. So yeah, it's working fine.